Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here silicon tetrachloride is given. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number. The steric number is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here V represent valency, silicon valency is 4, B is bonded atom, here chlorine is bonded atom, so that's also 4. So steric number will be 4 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 8 divided by 2 gives 4. If you calculate the lone pair, which is H minus B, which is 4 minus 4 is 0. Here H4 means sp3 hybridization without lone pair, so the geometry is tetrahedral and shape also tetrahedral. Since there is no lone pair, the shape and geometry will be same. Here 3D animation will help you to identify the structure. Chlorine at the corner of tetrahedron, silicon at the center. So the shape of silicon tetrachloride is tetrahedral. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.